Have you ever wondered what would really happen if you committed to just 30 minutes on the elliptical every single day? Not for a week, not as a New Year kick, but as a real habit. You might think it's just another cardio machine, but what it does to your body over time may surprise you. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the elliptical in a whole new way. If you're new here, I'm a certified fitness coach, and my goal is to help you get stronger, healthier, and more confident without extreme workouts or confusing advice. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you do an elliptical workout every day for 30 minutes. This is an education-focused video with practical coaching tips you can start using right away. By watching until the end, you'll understand how the elliptical affects your heart, muscles, joints, fat loss, and even your energy levels. You'll also learn how to use it the smart way so you get results without burning out. This routine works for beginners and intermediate exercisers, and all you need is access to an elliptical at the gym or at home. I'll also share easy adjustments to keep it safe, effective, and sustainable. Let's start with what most people notice first when they hop on the elliptical regularly. Within the first 1 to 2 weeks, your cardiovascular endurance begins to improve. That means activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or walking uphill start to feel easier. Your heart gets better at pumping blood, and your lungs learn to use oxygen more efficiently. As your cardio fitness improves, something else happens quietly in the background. Your resting heart rate often begins to drop slightly, which is a sign your heart is getting stronger. Many people also notice they don't feel as out of breath during daily tasks. This is one of the biggest reasons doctors and trainers recommend steady cardio like the elliptical. Next, let's talk about calories and fat loss, because that's a big reason people use this machine. A 30-minute elliptical workout can burn anywhere from 200 to 400 calories, depending on your weight, intensity, and resistance level. When done daily, this creates a consistent calorie burn that supports fat loss over time. It won't magically melt fat overnight, but combined with balanced eating, it adds up fast. What makes the elliptical special is that it encourages longer workouts without beating up your joints. Unlike running, there's no pounding on your knees, hips, or ankles. Your feet stay in contact with the pedals, which reduces impact while still keeping your heart rate up. That's why many people can stay consistent with it for months or even years. Now, let's look at muscle engagement, because the elliptical is more than just cardio. When you use proper posture and engage the handles, you're working your legs, glutes, core, arms, and shoulders at the same time. Your quads and hamstrings power the movement, while your glutes help drive you through each stride. Your core stays active to keep your torso upright and stable. If you actively push and pull the handles instead of just letting your arms ride along, your upper body gets involved too. That means your chest, back, shoulders, and arms are contributing to the movement. Over time, this helps improve muscle tone and overall coordination, especially for beginners. Another important change happens in your joints and connective tissues. Because the elliptical uses a smooth, controlled motion, it increases blood flow to your knees, hips, and ankles without excessive stress. This can help reduce stiffness, especially if you sit for long hours during the day. Many people with mild knee or back discomfort find the elliptical more comfortable than treadmills or outdoor running. Daily movement also improves joint lubrication, which helps your body feel looser and more mobile. This is especially helpful as we get older, since inactivity is one of the fastest ways to lose mobility. 30 minutes a day is enough to remind your joints that they're meant to move. Let's talk about energy levels, because this is a benefit people don't always expect. Regular elliptical workouts can actually increase your daily energy instead of draining it. Exercise improves blood flow to your brain and helps regulate stress hormones. Over time, many people report feeling more alert during the day and sleeping better at night. Better sleep is a huge win here. Consistent cardio helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Just try to avoid intense sessions right before bed if you're sensitive to stimulation. Morning or early evening workouts usually work best for most people. Your mental health also gets a boost from daily elliptical sessions. Steady, rhythmic cardio has a calming effect on the nervous system. It can help reduce stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue, especially paired with music or podcasts you enjoy. Those 30 minutes can become a mental reset, not just a physical workout. Now, let's clear up a common myth. Some people think doing the elliptical every day will automatically lead to muscle loss. That's not true when it's done correctly. The real issue is intensity and balance. If you keep resistance too low all the time and never challenge yourself, your body adapts and progress slows. This is where smart programming comes in. By adjusting resistance, incline, and speed across the week, you can keep improving without overtraining. Some days can be steady and moderate, while others are slightly more challenging. This keeps your muscles and heart responding and prevents boredom. Here's the big insight most people miss, and this is the game changer. The real power of doing the elliptical every day isn't the machine itself, it's the consistency it creates. 30 minutes daily trains your body to recover faster, manage stress better, and handle activity with less effort. Over time, your body becomes more efficient, not more exhausted. When you combine daily elliptical workouts with even light strength training 2 to 3 times per week, the results multiply. Your cardio improves, your muscles stay strong, and your joints stay healthy. The elliptical becomes a foundation habit that supports everything else you do in fitness and in life. This is why many long-term healthy adults stick with low-impact cardio for decades. It keeps them active, mobile, and confident without constant injury setbacks. That's the real transformation, staying capable year after year. If you've been following along, here's what it all comes down to. Doing the elliptical for 30 minutes every day can strengthen your heart, support fat loss, improve muscle tone, protect your joints, boost your energy, and support your mental health. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly effective when done consistently. If you ever feel sore or tired, it's okay to dial back the intensity instead of skipping completely. Light resistance, slower pace, and deep breathing still count. The goal is movement, not punishment. As you finish your workout, take a minute to slow your pace and let your breathing settle. Roll your shoulders, loosen your hips, and notice how your body feels. That calm, energized feeling is one of the biggest signs you're doing something right. If this video helped you understand how the elliptical really affects your body, tap the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for simple, realistic fitness guidance you can actually stick with. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next workout or education video. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. How many minutes do you usually spend on the elliptical, and what's your main goal right now? Fat loss, endurance, or joint-friendly cardio? And when you're done here, check out the next video on the channel that dives deeper into building stamina and full-body fitness. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.